Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to create group chat on Instagram in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, the process is very simple. First of all, what you have to do is just open Instagram in your phone. So guys, after that you will see this type of interface. From here what you have to do is just simply tap on this icon at the top right corner. So guys, from here what you have to do is just simply tap on this edit icon at the top right corner again. So you can see here the number of friends. So from here you have to select your group which you want to select by this way. So you can select 200 people for a group. So after doing this, what you have to do is just simply tap on this chat icon. So you can see here you can see a group has been created. So you can chat from here like this. So that is the method, guys. You can create group chat on Instagram. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.